Commercial Director ng Zamboanga del Sur Provincial Police Office, Police Senior Superintendent Thomas Villar. We are expressing our heartfelt thanks to the local government officials and to the people of Zamboanga del Sur for their continuing support in the maintenance of peace and order in our province. In behalf of the officers and men, civilian employees of Zamboanga del Sur Police Provincial Office, we join the people of this province in celebrating this 61st founding anniversary. Long live and happy anniversary, Zamboanga del Sur!